For each of the 3 different areas, attraction, conversion, and retention, that we have in our Sales Funnel Strategy Masterclass, for each of these areas, I'm going to give you a list, a long list of the best, most effective, and most valuable tools that we use and that other brands use when it comes to these areas. And for conversion, there are a lot of landing page tools, checkout tools, website tools, analysis tools that I'm going to show you. For retention, there are some CRM tools, other tools that help drive referral, drive revenue. And for the attraction, we also have tools. But I think sometimes these tools are so obvious that people ask me, hey, Robin, what is your best tool for running ads? Like, what the fuck? I run Facebook Ads Manager. That's my tool. I run them through the Google Ads Manager. That is my tool. So when we look at all these different traffic sources here, Facebook ads and Instagram ads come from the same tool, which is the Facebook Ads Manager. You find it under business.facebook.com. A couple of years ago, people also called it the Power Editor. This was like a thing where it could work better with your ads, but you could do setups more easily and more quickly. But now it's just one ads manager. TikTok ads has a very, very similar ads manager to Facebook and Instagram, which I really like. I really like the fact that TikTok just copy and pasted the ads manager design from Facebook and they use it for their platform. And it's really, really good. YouTube ads comes from the Google Ads Manager. And Google Display is also run from the same Google Ads Manager. If you run discovery YouTube video stuff for your channel, it will also be run from your Google Ads Manager. Snapchat has their own ad platform. Taboola has their own ad platform. And LinkedIn would also have their very own ad platform. Each ads manager gives you one unique pixel for tracking, for analyzing. And there are some tools that you could use to like improve your attraction. One tool would be HiROS, or things like that really help you optimize your impression, delivery, click costs. Obviously, there are many tools that you could use for improving your copywriting, your design, coming up with ads, video tools, content creation tools, things like ChatGPT, AI-generated ads or texts. But this is not a technical thing purely for ads. So this is a content creation thing. And we can talk about all these things when we talk about content creation. But overall, for attraction, you only need your different ad channels. You need to master these tools. Each comes with a very different, distinct interface. And you need to become, you don't need to become it, but someone in a business, someone in these businesses that we're trying to build here, they need to become really, really masterful in their own channel. For me, it was always Facebook and Instagram ads. Later, it became YouTube and Google and TikTok as well. When we scaled some brands in the past, I was always responsible for Facebook and Instagram, and I had other employees, other marketers in my team that were focusing on the other channels. But today, I would always have channel-specific marketers, like one guy that is really good for the Facebook Ads Manager, then he does his Facebook magic there. One other who's really good at YouTube ads, then he does the YouTube stuff there. So you have channel-specific experts for all these different social media platforms, and you have your creative team, and the marketing team basically adjust the format of these different creations of the different retargeting pieces and cold videos and all the marketing creatives onto each different platform. I hope you could gather a lot of understanding about the attraction and how we scale these brands, how the paid ads are used. And we are going to talk much, much deeper about how to actually run your ads on these different channels in different masterclasses that are all going to come in the future about Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, all in the very depth. But this only works, these ads only work if the sales funnel strategy is correct, if the product is great, if the brand is great, if there's a high CLTV, if all this framework foundation already works. And only then you can be successful and scale successfully with these ads and like minor detailed techniques, advanced techniques to scale ads. This only works if all the other conditions are met. So that was it for the attraction. In the next videos, we're going to dive deep into conversion, which is the center middle part of sales funnel strategy. And there we're going to just talk very, very deeply about conversion itself.